Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to fix a couple of leaks and head out for a drive. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we need to fix a couple of exhaust leaks on the up pipe, I believe, and we need to fix that coolant leak. It's getting pretty bad. Alright, I think I found the coolant leak. It's not the cylinder 4. You can see, might be able to see it's running down the back of the cylinder head. It's actually pooling up here on top. So, which one is it? Alright, I couldn't find where it was actually leaking, but I think it might be the hard line, the one that goes to the heater. Goes around here. That hose there goes down onto. I think it's got some hole. Might have a pinhole in it, something like that. So when I have it running next, I'll really focus on looking down there because there's quite a bit of coolant. As you can see, the green down there, and that's running down the back of the engine when I drive. So yeah, it's the hard line that goes from the water pump all the way over. So yeah, cool, awesome. So we'll fix the exhaust leak, make sure that's all good, and yeah, we'll get it up to temp and I'll have a look there and keep topping it up, get it for drive. I'll just keep topping it up because it's pretty small at the moment, and then when the engine comes out we'll try to strip down and get a new one. Alright, so once again I've got to jack up the car and work on that up pipe. Alright, I'm pretty sure that is sealed now. Yeah, just put some sealant on that gasket. That's not the right gasket, so we'll head up to TD05 and try to find the leak that's up here. Found the leak. It's caused by this Cobra at the front. So I'm bolting it down. Let's see this nut here. There's a massive gap. So I've got to try to get in there and tighten that one up. That's gonna push down on that bit. That's why that happens, because that's actually quite tough, that rubbery plastic. Alright, it's starting to strip, so I took it off. Let's find another one. Alright guys, another stripped one. So I've pulled more off. I've pulled the wastegate off, I've pulled the oil feed off and the water, so you have a bit of access down there. It's mainly this stud, that stud right there, you can see, that one there, that's making it hard, because I can't use the straight one because it hits it. So I've got this offset one, but that was too late. It was already stripped. Yeah. Let's find another nut. Woohoo! Got it on. Start to squish out some coolant that I dripped in there just before, spilled in there. So we know it's crushed down the bottom there, so nice big washer in there. All good. And yeah, the other ones are tight, so let's get it back together. Alright guys, it's all back together. Hopefully leak free. Let's give it a start up and see how we go. That's better. So quiet. Can't really tell the difference. Alright, exhaust. Knock, 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 knock. Needs to warm up. Alright, had it running for maybe a minute or so. It's just burning off the coolant that I've dropped down onto the exhaust. So I'm going out soon. I'm going to watch Jurassic World. So we'll come back later and top it up and take it for a drive. Alright guys, I'm back. The movie was pretty good, but let's get back to it. So we need to put some, it's going to put some water to the expansion here, and we'll get it warmed up, move a couple of cars out of the way so we can get it out for a drive. You might be able to hear, it's kind of trying to rain. It's a bit wet out there at the moment, so be careful. Alright, so I've added some coolant, I've moved the cars, need to do an update on the computer. That's all done, so start it up, warm it up, and get out of here. Alright, so we've got our rumble back. Had a bit of an oil leak on the top of the oil feed for the TD05, which I fixed. Start a log. Feels smooth. Might have a leak. Cool interval leak. I can still freaking hear it. Oh my god. What is causing it? Maybe it's the boost solenoid doing it. Very odd. we go up this hill. Still the same. Oh, come on, guys. Alright, well, that didn't go as planned. Now I couldn't get the bonnet up because last week I fell off the engine bay and broke all this, and I didn't realise that I bent that all the way down, like 180 degrees. So I couldn't open it up. Luckily I could just pull the grill off and bend it back up. Anyway, yeah, it's still compressor surging. I'm stumped. I really am. It's got to be wastegate related, maybe solenoid related. Yeah. Maybe I'll just join these two and see if 100% getting rid of that will change it. Alright guys, I'm going to call it not the best test drive on a new setup. So, I'll come back. Hopefully you guys can comment down below on what it could possibly be, how to remedy it. But yeah. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.